If you've ever wanted to live in a forest, but still be able to go out for dinner, then this home might be for you. Because this nearly 1 acre home for sale in Portland sits right next to Forest Park with its 5,200 acres of, forested park, and Bird Alliance of Oregon's 172 acres, which has trees and birds in it. Okay, Forest Park probably has birds in it too, but only one has an alliance. Just saying. And the neat thing is, you're less than 2 miles away from the Pearl District. That right there is the ADU that comes with the property. It's actually really a sweet loft type of setup. It's powered, it has a bathroom and a shower. So basically, if you have friends or family that want to go glamping, it's ready to go. These tiles that I keep showing you are all hand painted by a renowned local artist, which is just one of the small details that makes this particular property so cool. The kitchen was fully remodeled as well and comes with all high-end appliances, including this MasterChef oven, which has a steam function, perfect for baking bread. You know how realtors always tell you to bake some cookies before showings? With this house, we're going to bake some bread before showings. Now we get to one of my favorite parts of this house, which is this enclosed screened room. And to keep it natural and rustic, they made it out of cedar. And I gotta say, I bet you can already feel how peaceful it is. Living next to a bird habitat, you can imagine how much you'll hear them chirp and talk to each other. I do wonder sometimes though if they find our voices as enjoyable as we find theirs. If you notice, this room is painted, but it's one of the very few painted rooms in this house. That's because mostly the walls are finished with wood, which so goes with the vibe of this home, where it feels like a tree house. You are buying this home to feel closer to nature, and this home does not disappoint. Even this bathroom is remodeled, but it still embraces a somewhat rustic look. See, the thing is that sometimes people come in and take these old homes with charm and turn them into ugly gray blobs, which I'm so happy didn't happen here. Every update I saw in here was very tastefully done, which I would suppose is the advantage of having an accomplished artist as the owner. There are a few cool things about the property that the video can't show, like this place has a whole house generator for those times you lose power in a forest. It happens. And while the home is connected to city water, it has an active well, which right now is being used for irrigation. But what I'm telling you is, this house has some capability of being off-grid, and I think if you just add a solar to it, you're good to go. I'll have to do a separate video on the yard and the ADU, but I highly encourage you to reach out to me and set up a private showing. You got to feel the atmosphere of this house. The video just doesn't do enough justice. Good luck on your property search, and thank you for watching.